let's discuss Amazon gadgets that will simplify your life. All gadgets links in comments and description. Let's start the video. The innovative and aesthetically pleasing piece of office furniture is the Standing Desk Converter by JYLH Joyseeker. This height-adjustable sit-stand riser lets you switch between sitting and standing with ease and comes with a pneumatic brake system, giving you a sitting height range of 4. Constructed for an X lift, the desk can bear up to 33 pounds on the 32-inch wide desktop, and the detachable keyboard tray holds 4 pounds, which is fairly lightweight yet sturdy. Great for use with 2 monitors or a laptop with a mouse. This converter is simple black and offers both compact storage and enough space for all office items, from papers to coffee. Pros: convection, high contact area, easy to adjust, designed to fit the hand well. Cons: lack of weight support may not feel too spacious for the keyboard tray in larger arrangements. Next, this Mechas keyboard wrist rest will come in handy for anyone who is typing for many hours for purposes of working, gaming, or studying. One of the enhancements of this model is the extended and increased wrist pad with thick memory material that adjusts to the contours of your hands and provide maximum comfort and real relief from wrist stress. Its message pattern design enhances the circulation of blood and relieves tension on your wrists. Moreover, the non-slip silicone base provides it a secure base while using it. It is small enough at 1 inches in length, 1 inches in width to accommodate most standard keyboards, and offers a cushioned pad that helps maintain proper wrist alignment. Pros: memory foam, excellent for massaging, creating nice pattern, has non-slip bottom, useful for wrist problems. Cons: can be too conforming for those users who like more support, not suitable for compact keyboards. Next, contour gauge with lock is a useful tool for the woodworking community, do-it-yourself enthusiasts, and construction workers. This set consists of a contour gauge range of 12 inches and 5 inches made of ABS plastic that makes it strong and resistant to rust. Its dual-sided scale features inch and centimeter scales that allow for accurate measurement of shapes to be traced. The control lock enables the locking of the teeth and enables the repetition of complicated shape with utmost precision. It is a highly precise tool used to tile, cut, and do home repairs. The design of this tool is a 50% wider than industrial gauges and comes with advanced pins for better accuracy. As a handyman's tool that can be used by carpenters, joiners, and DIY enthusiasts, this device makes an ideal present for the recipient. Pros: crank securely, tighter accuracy, wide. Cons: ABS plastic is less rigid and strong in comparison to the metal parts not suitable for very intricate designs. Next, BLITZHOME Sous Vide. Machine is an innovative and accurate kitchen appliance and essential equipment for every home cook. This Sous Vide pot has 1100 watts of power and 360 degrees water circulation, allowing water to heat up and holding the steady temperatures from 77 to 198, 5 degrees Fahrenheit with the precision of 1 degree Fahrenheit. The size is convenient for cooking large quantities and is suitable for containers ranging from 4 to 15 liters. This model is easy to use and fits tightly on containers. It can be attached and removed quickly. Its clamp is robust and the noise level does not exceed 15 decibels. LED lights together with different beeps and tones let you know the progress of your cooking without the need to check physically. Pros: they are characterized by highly accurate temperature regulation, short cooking time, low noise, and the ability to handle a large amount of food. Cons: slightly bulky and might be more than what is needed for serving small portions or serving at intermittent periods. Next, the OXO Good Grips cheese slicer is a great tool for cheese lovers who need the perfect, accurate slice. Constructed from die-cast zinc and has a built-in tension wheel to ensure the wire sits firmly while cutting and produces sharp and clean cuts. Regardless of whether you want to make thick or thin slices, this slicer does both in a jiffy. It has a soft, comfortable handle to grip, and you can simply replace the wire. Another stainless steel wire is provided. Moreover, it is dishwasher safe, so cleaning it would not be an issue. Pros: the adjustable wire tension for accurate slicing, easy to install and replace wire with high tensile strength. Zinc construction is resistant to corrosion, and the soft grip handle. Cons: wire might degrade with time with constant usage, mainly for slicing cheese only. Next, Remiawai plant watering devices are comfortable to use and an ideal ideal solution to watering your plants while you are out of town. These self-watering spikes are made from terracotta clay, and they release water to your indoor or outdoor plants at the right intervals needed over time. Just place the stakes into the ground, stick a bottle of wine or a plastic containing water to this little standing vase, and let it water slowly for your plants. The pack comes in a set of 6 stakes, and that makes it affordable for anyone interested in plant care while being friendly to the environment as well. These spikes have a 7 to 10 days release time per liter of water, making them ideal when one is out of town or has tight schedules. Pros: self-irrigating system with a gradual release of water, suitable for use with recycled PET bottles, an inexpensive pack of 6. Cons: fragile terracotta material. Might require testing before use for precise watering rates. Next, Zulay Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand for those who love barista-style drinks. This powerful hand-held milk frother hits 13,000 revolutions per minute and features 26 spiral rings that whips the milk into frothy goodness in seconds. Perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, hot chocolate, or iced coffee. It can be used with any kind of milk, be it conventional milk or milk derived from nuts, soy, or almond, and is also perfect for mixing protein powders or even for whisking eggs. As the name suggests, this device is operated by a single button and is easy to clean, and also portable and compact enough to fit the pocket or a drawer for storage after use in frothing. Pros: strong motor, compatibility with different types of milk, convenience in operation and maintenance, and small size and lightweight. Cons: runs on 2 AA batteries, not included, available in a limited number of colors. Next, Woofy Go stainless steel cat. Litter box with lid is ideal for large or multiple cats, given it has an extra large size of 23, 5 by 16 by 13 inches. It is constructed using stainless steel material that easy to clean and does not attract rust, odor, or scratch issues unlike regular plastic boxes. The non-stick bottom enables easy cleaning, while the high sides help keep the litter contained, and the new buckle design ensures that the scratching post stays together even when swung at by little paws. This litter box is for the dynamic and sustainable living of up to 5 years, with no odor to fret about. Pros: extra large size does not retain odor, easy to wash, and made of stainless steel. Cons: compared to plastic ones, they are much denser and have a higher price rate. Next, Black Plus Decker. Compact refrigerator is one of the best refrigerator options for small rooms like the dorm, offices, or even those recreational vehicles. This mini fridge has a capacity of 2 cubic feet and comes with features such as 2 removable glass shelves, a full-width crisper for fresh foods, and a convenient freezer for ice packs or frozen meals. It has a slim and elegant look, and it comes in only one color, silver, which makes it fitting for any room. In addition, the cutting speed is 450 mm per minute and the noise level is only 45 dB, which makes it suitable for noise-sensitive environments. Pros: slimline, small footprint, adjustable shelving, self-draining refrigerator, and low noise, full-width freezer. Cons: defrosting facility by hand and less space in the freezer for large items. Next, Omaton adjustable laptop. Stand with 360 degrees rotating base is a great ergonomic solution for your working area because it raises your laptop to become at eye level, which helps to prevent awkward neck angles. The design of a 360 degrees swivel option makes it very convenient to turn your laptop towards your peers during office meetings or group projects. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy for a stylish look and feel, it features soft rubber pads to prevent device scratching. This laptop stand allows laptops up to 16 inches to be placed on it, and it is foldable for ease of transportation. Pros: they are designed to be ergonomic, rotatable in 360 degrees for versatility. Foldable, which makes them portable and compatible with almost all kinds of mouse devices. Cons: has no integrated cable management and could be expensive for general use. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.